sexies, I'm back with another video. This one is another haul unboxing. I got 3 things, so let's get into it. But first I get my blade real quick. So I'm trying to feel where it's at. I don't know, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, let's do one at a time. Okay, so first, let's see what this is. Oh, okay. I think I know what this is. Oh, yeah. They hit me up and asked me if I want to do a review. So, yeah. Beauty Big Bang. All right. Get this open. Ooh, just in time. Yes, because I got some ideas for Halloween. I want to do a 31 days of Halloween, but it's like only one person hit me up about it when I made a post, but I'm still gonna do it with or without people. Oh, I ain't got my light on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Okay, so they got stamping plates. Ooh. Oh, I got 4? Nice. Okay, I hope you guys can see them all. Okay, so start with this one. This is number 27. We got little instructions on the back. Oh, okay. Ooh, I love these. Okay, you see they're Halloween. We got pumpkins, skeletons, some eyes, some cats, some spiders, a graveyard with some pumpkins, some vines, some ghost that says boo. This one is pumpkins, spider webs, witches hats, skeletons. This is a witch with a black cat and a oh my gosh, my mind's blank. Oh, this one says October Autumn Nights. It's an owl or a ghost and a live tree. Pretty. This is Big Bang XL 027. And for this one, this is number 20 stamping plate. It's more spooky stuff, Halloween. Like it a lot. You guys can see all the colors. Edit that part out. You guys see all the Halloween stuff? Okay, save for the next one. Also, thank you. Customer support card. I don't know if the other ones had it or not. Oh, I like this one a lot. It's like a whole story. See all that? Oh, okay. And for the last one, oh, this one was number 28. Let's see what this one is now. Number 18. This one is mostly, pretty much all skulls. I like this. I got some ideas. I could do all this stuff for the Halloween. Okay, so here's all of them. All 4 of them. So out of all of them, I say I like this one the most. It's a lot going on, but it's like a story. It's like all together. And I like this one too. I like them all. So I guess I will do a video on those later. I love you got the protection part right here, because the one I got, it sliced my finger pretty bad. Okay, so next we got this box right here. Zoom out some. I'm not sure what's in here. Okay. Oh dang, it got beat up. This box got beat up. So this is from AliExpress. Oh my god, this went through the ringer. Look at that. Went through it. Okay, let's see how it is. How nice it looks. This better not be used. Cause look, it's taped. Some flimsy tape. We'll see. Alright, let's cut this open. Here's the plug. It was upside down. That's smart. Okay. So how I did. I got the gold one. Ooh. With the armrest. I had to get this one. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. So pretty. Okay. So here's the plug. Plugging it right here. It's the on and off switch. Like this armrest. Nice. So here's the filter. I thought I ordered a filter too. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty simple and easy. It's got a little weight to it. I feel like this one is used, so I might have it. I don't know. I got it from AliExpress for like $30, maybe less than that. And I seen how cheap it was, so that's why I got it. And it was a nice color. So last but not least, whew, okay, this big old bad boy. Let's cut this open. I don't remember what this is. What is this? Oh, I remember now. Okay. Dang, so I'm just getting beat up boxes today, huh? You don't like me. Everything's beat up. Look at that. What the heck? So this is a 2-in-1 LED UV light. This one is, I believe it's 80 watts, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take everything out the box first. Okay, so oh, it's a 78 watt. 78 watt. 1 nail lap adapter, cord, and manual. It weighs almost 2 pounds. So in comparison, the dust collector weighs more. Oh, what the heck? Okay. So just telling you this, the instructions and what to do and what not to do. Alright, so this is the cord. Oh, okay. I guess it needs a lot of power, so yeah, you need one of these. Alright, and what else do we have? Oh no. Get that later. Okay, so here it is in all its glory. Ow. Could hurt myself. Okay, so we have this right here. This is called I don't know. I'm not even gonna try, y'all. I'm not even going to try. I can't even do it. Okay, so look. Alright. If it's both of your hands, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna do a review on this too. Look. Both of my hands. I'm good to go. So you got 10 second, 30, 60, and 99. So I guess it's just a touch, which is pretty cool. And I'm not sure what this is right here. They don't even tell me. I don't know if it's like decoration or it's like a brief. So right here it says sunshine, non-harmful, non-blackened, UV LED, and 78 watt. $50,000 plus hours of lifetime, y'all. Alright, that's about it, and there'll be some videos on these really soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.